Oh my god, my hair looks so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Christelle. Welcome. And today we're going to be doing a flat twist out tutorial. Now, my hair is freshly washed, okay? And there's no leave-in or any kind of product in it right now. And we're going to be seeing if the Melanin Twist-Elongating Cream is able to give us enough moisture for this. I'm going to be using the Melanin Pure Blend multi-purpose oil. Yep, I got that right. Along with the cream, and for our gel we're going to be using the Wetline Xtreme Gel as well. So I'm going to put my hair in sections and we'll start. As you can see, I did wash my hair while it was in twists, which is why I have to be doing this right now. So because I did that, my hair is detangled, and I did talk about this in my, which video was that? I did talk about this in one of my videos. I think it was the 5 hair care tips for lazy naturals. I'll link it in the cards above. So like this section right here will be coming this way, and I'll show you guys the way in which I did the back. It's not perfect, but that doesn't really matter. You'll see. Okay, so I went ahead and did the back section of my hair. It's just 4 of them back there. I'll go into detail as to how I do the twists. Okay, so I pretty much did all of my hair except for this section, just so I could show you guys exactly how I do the flat twist. So this is the part that's finished already. The parts don't have to be neat, it doesn't really matter because it's not going to show. So I'm gonna do the front section close up so you guys can actually see how I do the flat twists. In terms of the products, the Twist-Elongating Style Cream is pretty thick. It is very moisturizing, but also when I apply it to my hair, it leaves this kind of white residue. So I'm not sure how that's gonna do for this style because I've never done it for a flat twist out before, or used it for a flat twist out rather. Hopefully it turns out proper. This is the front section that's left. This is probably about 3 twists. Add a little water. Okay, so for me, when I'm doing the twist, first thing is I try to make sure I get it to the root. Also, I try my best not to have any strands overlapping, because if they overlap when you're undoing the flat twist out, then you're gonna have frizz, a lot of frizz. And even while I'm doing this, I can still see the white residue that's left from the Melanin Twist-Elongating Cream. I don't really like that at all. And that's how I do one section. I'll add a little more cream to the ends. Detangle. When I get to the ends, I always do kind of a mini bantu knot in order to have that coil curled end. So just like that, and then I leave it be. So that's how I do one section. Last section, yes. So let's do this again. I cross over. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And while I'm doing this, I'm twisting the hair like this as well. Who's that? Okay, so the entire sections of my head is finished. When it's completely dry, I'll come back on camera and do the unravel for you guys, but let me just show you the complete thing.
Later.
I'm back. I did decide to let my hair air dry for 2 days, so now we're gonna do the takedown. So for this particular style, it's very important the way in which you take it down. You have to be very delicate not to have frizz. So I'm just gonna stop talking and just show you guys. Okay, all right. I have not done a flat twist out in so long. I'm liking this a lot. Okay. Okay. Sometimes I would go in with my pick to make it bigger, but I'm pretty okay with the size it's at right now. And as I said, I rocked it for like 2 days with the flat twist in, and I love being able to do that with a style. So it's like a protective style, and then I can wear it out when I'm ready. And I like this. And I was worried about the white residue from the Melanin Twist cream, but it's, as you guys see, like there's no white residue. My hair isn't hard or anything like that from any gel or anything. It's just, it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. See, freedom of movement, you know, that's nice. Okay guys, that's it for this video. And if you liked it, don't forget to actually like the video, share it, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, click the notification bell below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Bye.